Akiaria kiganda-inĩ kiu kiria kiri itũra-inĩ ria Kanyaki-inĩ, minista ucio wa kaunti augite kaunti ya Meru ina uhoti wa kugetha makiria ma tani 66,000 mwaka, iria ni makiria ma milioni 42.
Meru County has an agriculture potential of 10,000 acres with an annual production potential of 66,000 metric tons. The current annual fish production starts at 119 million tons, valued at 42 million.
Ni athingatite andu ethĩ gwikuruhania na urimi wa thamaki niguo guthondeka mawira. Minista ucio niongire kuga thirikari ya kaunti yo ni ihotorete kuhurana na mathina maria maragumira urimi wa thamaki.
There are a number of challenges that we are envisaging, and we are actually very busy trying to tackle these challenges. One of them is high incidences of post-harvest losses of fish, low aquaculture production attributed to lack of market, and inadequate value addition for fish.
Director wa urimi wa thamaki kaunti-inĩ yo ni athingatite aikari gwikirira urimi wa thamaki.
Tunafuga samaki tuifanye kama biashara. Kuna wengine wanaachilia samaki hawapei chakula.
Urimi wa thamaki ni uguciririe arimi aingi iri ta njira ya kuongera utonga, na andu aingi kuongera urimi wa thamaki ni undu wa kuongera protein thini wa mwiri. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, njitagwo Simon Macharia wa Wangui.
Karibu sana.